Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics. Because in a math there is lot of function like the exponential function, logarithm function, and trigonometric function, which is main part of mathematics. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. Now today's date is 6th of July 2021. This is miscellaneous chapter 5 from NCERT. It is complex number and quadratic equation. This is question number 4, and this type of a question is occasionally asked in the IIT and JEE type of a question. Here it is, if x minus iy is equal to under root a minus ib upon c minus id, then you need to prove that x square plus y square is whole of square is equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. In the IIT question, it is asked that what is the value of x square plus y square whole of square. The option is that one, a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. But how we solve it? So firstly, let given x minus iy is equal to a minus ib upon c minus id. So firstly, you know that if this type of a question is arise here, so firstly we need to convert it in the form of a real expression if the denominator is given in the complex expression. How we convert it in the real expression? By multiplying it with its conjugate, means x minus iy is equal to, this is a minus ib upon c minus id multiplied by c plus id upon c plus id. This is equal to x minus iy is equal to, multiplying with this one, it is ac minus ibc plus iad plus minus I square bd whole divided by, this is c square minus I square d square. This one, x minus iy is equal to, this is ac, it is I square gives you minus 1, so it is plus bd, this is real part, so you have to write down with this one ac plus bd. Now taking out I count, this is plus I ad minus bc, ad minus bc. Here the denominator is equal to, this is c square minus I square d square. I square gives you minus 1, so it is c square plus d square. The value of x minus y is equal to ac plus bt plus I ad minus bc upon c square plus d square. So it's the value of its conjugate, x plus iy is equal to, x plus iy is equal to, this is equal to AC plus BD plus, only you have to change this one, it became minus I AD minus BC upon under root C square plus D square. C square plus d square. Now you need to multiply x minus iy upon x plus iy. This is what equal to, this one is equal to, this one is equal to AC plus BD plus I plus I AD minus BC whole divided by C square plus D square multiplied by AC plus BD minus I AD minus BC whole divided by C square plus D square. This is A plus B, A minus B. Can be written as x square and it is written as minus I square y square. This one is equal to, this is AC plus BD and it is I square AD minus BC gives you A plus B, A minus B gives you AC plus BD whole of square minus I square AD minus BC whole of square whole under root divided by, this is C square D square whole of square. Now this one is equal to, it is equal to x square, I square gives you minus 1, so it is x square plus y square, and this one is equal to, this is a square C square b square d square and I square gives you minus 1, so it is plus, sorry, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab Similarly, it is plus because I square gives you minus 1, so it is plus, it is a minus b whole square, a square d square plus b square c square minus 2abcd whole divided by c square plus d square, c square d square whole of square. This one cancel out. Now squaring both sides, you will get x square plus y square whole of square. Now taking out a square c square plus a square d square, a square c square plus b square c square plus b square d square plus a square d square upon, this is c square d square whole of square. Taking out c square common, you will get, this is c square, it get a square plus b square. Taking out d square common, this is also a square plus b square whole divided by c square d square whole of square. From here it is a square plus b square taking out common from whole, and this is c square, this is c square plus d square upon c square d square whole of square. This one is cancelled out, so the answer is equal to, so the answer is equal to a square plus b square upon c square plus d square. It is the value of x square plus y whole square. This is right now prove that. Thank you.